All right, meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros Live WeatherBlogs.com. We're going to be talking about the potential for some severe weather tonight. And first thing I want to do is take a look at this is around the 4 a.m. time frame. You can see there's a southeast wind and a southwest wind increases with height. That is a problem, especially when we look at potential of a tornado. We'll have to keep an eye on that, but I would be looking at that to be a possibility. We cannot throw that out. Damaging winds, very possible. Isolate tornado, can't throw it out. So we'll take a look back here. This is the simulator radar. As you notice here, watch it very closely. Watch mainly in here. I want you to watch that when I move this around. And how there's like a little bit of a spin there and it moves northeast before this line gets in there. That's the low level jet pushing. This would mainly be ID1 East, but these could be some isolated supercells. I don't like that on the potential. That increases the potential of severe weather for sure. Mesoscale, this is let me try to get 300 millibar chart. You see a low here. It looks like we're trying to get a low forming in here, and this is widening out. The mouth is widening out here. This area in here, I'm thinking anywhere from just above New Roanoke, Lynchburg, south into the Carolinas. This area is going to be a higher threat zone because the wind energy is going to increase significantly, mainly between 3 and 8 p.m. a.m. Excuse me, wrong thing. So we have to watch this very closely, and further east than that, it's even more of a potential. So this has got to be watched significantly for an increasing chance of severe weather, including tornadic activity. You see the winds are strong out of the southwest in this. We're going to go to the surface, and that changes things too. Let's see. Because where the winds are going, we've got southeast backing winds here near Roanoke. That's an issue. Southwest and southeast winds overblowing each other is a threat for tornado development. And that happens all the way back through West Virginia and even east towards Raleigh and Richmond and all that area as the morning goes on. So this is a threat we got to watch out for. Let me see if I can throw some more stuff up. Cape's not going to be an issue. This is going to be a high shear, low cape event, meaning lots of energy, but low cape. And obviously in this red area is where that's happening, and it's moving with this line of storms. So like I said, this is increasing. Here's the line. Here's what's going to start developing out ahead of it. That's an issue. And you see it's increasing just with this line. Is this going to be serious? I don't see why they don't have a change in the potentials here. I'm going to put the SIGTOR up, not much on the SIGTOR. And I'm not really expecting the SIGTOR. This is going to be more non-supercellular tornadoes, even though a few isolated supercells could occur. Here we go, big old wide area potential here for severe weather. Stretching potential. That one is not coming up on this one. EHI. Enhanced Velocity Index, nothing huge on that right now. Very unstable with the shear part. It is the biggest thing. Like I said, it's a high shear event where you're going to have winds coming from two different directions. And that was very clear here. Like I said, we can go 925 close to surface. Southwest wind, the southeast wind's coming up pretty strong. It's a low level jet. And then when we take a look at here onto the 300, which is up in the atmosphere, the jet stream, it's southwest push. Those two crossing over is the issue that we're going to have to watch out for tonight, like I said. And that's where I'm seeing the biggest issue currently. And this will move out tomorrow. and then things will clear out. I'm also going to pull some stuff here, some shear. You always see where that little pink area. Let me try to get this to stop perfectly on that. God, it's hard to stop on that. There we go, 8. I want to click in there. That is a classic blob that's pushing up on that low level jet, and that to me says a lot. So that is a significant increase, and that's right around where I said 8C, 9C time frame overnight into early morning. And the worst part about this is that you can't see a tornado at night. It's very difficult to. And this is showing even a little bit more. This is rotating a little more. We do have low STP, supercell composites a little higher. Like I said, there we go there. The change in the wind height is there. So some supercells could occur, or some right turn to it. This is what I'm concerned about. And I'm going to take a look at the radar currently. Not much going on here. Nothing really rotating at this current time, but this is something we'll have to watch out for as the night goes on, because as the night goes on, the increased chance of an isolated tornado and damaging winds will increase. So that being said, we'll have to be very careful and have multiple ways of getting warnings, because this is going to be one of those times that you're not going to get very much in the way of of a warning. Latest HRRR just came in. I just want to take a look and see if I can pull the newest data. Of course, it's not going to let me do this on that. Let me try something else. This is the brand new data. This just came in. I think I hit the wrong thing here. What does start showing up some of these greens in the SIGTOR, which is significant tornado index. Trying to find the best stuff here. And it'll be shown in the gust here where you get the thunderstorms here. So this is the latest information, and the reflectivity quite well shows what's going to happen there. So like I said, right around 4 a.m. Hey, 4 a.m. is going to be a good time. We need to be watching out for stuff to come through and getting more active. 4 to 8 is going to be the most active time frame. We'll keep up with you. I'll try to get on here if things get really crazy and give you an update. Until then, meteorologist Dean Davison, I hope if you're up, you get this information, have multiple ways of getting your warnings, and please be safe tonight.